it's arham. Today I'm going to show you about my this is a caravan. So you have the caravan. Let me put it on the height. This is my caravan. You see it? And this is my boat. You can't see it because it's small. Right? And look, these are the flippity flappers. Look, okay, and that's what I have. And look at this. This is joined with the caravan. So this is all I have. And I'll show you the book from where I made it. This one is from a book. Okay, so let me show you of this one. This one. Oh, where are the boats? There it is. Found it. And I'm going to show you it. It's here. Look. Here are the people. See them? This is the boy. I'll show you. I should probably put the jackets on because they are totally not wearing jackets. So if they go on the boat, they would die in the water. I've never been in a boat. Only once I think. Oh, I have. But I was scared if there was a shark there. Because I love fishes, but I hate sharks. Don't you know sharks are the real enemy of humans? So that's why I hate sharks. Since once I saw a shark when I went to Dubai or Thailand, I am afraid of sharks. So right now I'm gonna show you the guys. They're wearing this. They are wearing. Where did that voice come from? I don't know where that voice came from. So look, these two are the people. Yeah, I love that. So classic, and look, it opens. Look, and open it. And that's how it works. And the west that was coming, that was Urdu Ghost. Okay, so look here. Okay, and now I will show you my posters. Since when I showed you the Batman Lego, hey, I'm the Batman. So look, I made posters. Look. This is the Batman. This is Aquaman. And this is Mr. Freeze. And this is Aquaman's, what do you call that stick? Okay. So let me put the camera back. And there it's settled. So look at this. This is the plate. So when you join it with the caravan, so look, this is it. When you join it, then you put the boat on it. So it's like a shape. And this Lego is from Canada. I live in Pakistan. So look, your boat set is complete. So bye guys. See you next time. And get ready to watch some new Lego videos.